Right here is sitting out a raw dog.
Good to go.
Got my brother's shit. 929, 2000, 98 ZX6R. Both of them modded out. Now we got a 04 600 F4i. Misshift.
Here it comes.
Get back on so I can go. Get back. Move.
Hauling, dog. Hey, how fast are you going? How fast are you going?
About $1.60 easily.
155.
Yeah, I said about $1.60 almost, yeah.
Nice, look good, bro, look good.
And that's how we do all day long, nigga.
I'll tell you what's wrong, goddamn ant bite inside me.
I love you can hear it across the echo and across the plains.
Sounds good.
That's a lot better than what it was before.
That's that claim. No pop rivet.
No pop rivet. Multi-disperse. Nigga can't wheelie what the fuck, but he can't go fast, so. That was a pretty good one, I take it back. That was a good little starter.
Nice. Nice, so nice. Yeah, buddy! Clang!
No.
No pop rivet.
No pop rivet.
I figured it out.
Clang rivets.
Rivets.
I am. Rivet. Hey, nigga, put the lid back on, nigga. Hey, Ryan, come look at this sunset, nigga. Come look at this. Motherfucking crimp walk, nigga. That's that field crimp. That's that field crimp. Got the motherfucking field crimp, nigga.
Yeah, sunset is pretty cold. You typically should eat me.
Yeah.
So home, we got McDonald's pieces in my phone.
Yeah, we got McDonald's gimmicks. Gimmicks.
You got that shit on film, right?
Oh, yeah, I got it all, man. Peace. Later.
That was a good last wheelie.